Hey guys, welcome back to another Fall Guys video. Today we're gonna be playing, we're gonna be doing a thing where we can only touch a certain, we can't touch a certain color. So, I guess let's do it. So I have a generator here. I have my wheel pulled up. It's on my phone right now, so you can't see it, but I have a wheel, and it just has a bunch of colors on it, and we're gonna spin it, and if it's like a really uncommon color in Fall Guys, we're just gonna respin. But then if it is like a good color, we'll go into a couple matches and like see if we can do that, see if we can win without touching that color. But if we do touch the color, we have to exit the entire thing and just restart and spin and get a new color. So hold up. Okay. We got orange. Okay, this shouldn't be too hard. Actually, I feel like respinning. I think that's easy. Orange again. Respin. Okay, we have like blue. Let's just hope we don't get any blue. It's like a purplish blue, but any blue counts. Except for the bean blues. The blue beans. Data streams. I don't remember if this one has blue or not. Even though we did this one. Okay. Well, that was nice. Let's respin. I should have just gone with orange. Hold up. Let me get a better wheel up here because this is like, these are like all the same colors. It's just red and blue, basically. Let me add some colors. Focus, focus, you now lost your focus. So, let's add some green. Okay, we've got some green in there. And then we should add some yellow. Hold up. Oh wait, yellow's already up there. What's a good color that I should add? Let's add pink, like hot pink. Okay. That's good. We have a better wheel now. Okay, what's our color? What's our color? Let's see. We got orange. Okay. Any shade of orange counts. Just like any shade of blue counts. Diggy truck. Orange. This one, oh, there's some like yellowish orange up there. We can't touch that. That should be like the only thing. I don't think we touched any orange particles. Come on. Okay. Wait, hold on. Boing. Yippee! It's like a slip and slide. Oh, okay. I thought I was done for. Oh, come on! The one time I get orange. Is there like... Dang it, I can't... I don't think I can do this one. Okay, wait. Ah, dang it, we can't. Okay. Wait, let's try a different one. Okay, what's our color now? Let's see. Spinning. Blue. The blue ones are really hard. There's a ton of blue. Okay, I don't want to get any like data stream or anything like that because you just spawn on blue. For most of them you spawn on blue, which is really annoying. Come on. Cube corruption. Get ready, speedrunning. Oh my goodness, that was the world record for leaving a game. Good old green. That's what we got. That's our color. Hold on. Let me check something. Oh dang it, survival isn't out yet. Runner beans. Can't touch green. Wait, is this an OG map? Yes, let's go. Okay, wait, this one should be really easy too. Go, go, go! Come on, man. Let's go. Hustle, hustle. This also would have been a good one. I don't remember correctly, but I don't think I remember correctly. Oh wait, never mind. I thought we didn't spawn on blue for a second, but there's literally a checkpoint that's blue. So I don't think it. Yeah, we do spawn on blue. We're alive! And there's an ice cream bean. That would be really gross. Bean flavored ice cream. Airborne antics. Please say this doesn't have green. Oh my goodness, this would have been horrible if we had red. Come on. Dang it. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Hustle, hustle. Again. How are people already qualifying? Maybe it's because they're good at the game, like unlike me. Dang it! Is there no checkpoints? Okay, wait, there's checkpoints. I don't know if I'm gonna qualify. I'm probably not gonna qualify. Wait, there's a bottom. I didn't know. Okay. Well, I doubt I'm qualifying. Hold on. That's why you don't quit too early. Let's go. We qualified. I was not expecting that. Round over. How many remain? 18. Like 2 more until the finals. I think we might be able to do this. This might be a short video. Gentle gauntlet. Please actually be gentle and don't have green in it. I see a little green. So, it's not as gentle as it says. And I got flung off. And I might not qualify. And please help me. Let's go. Please, please. avoided the bouncies. We can't get it. I have to play it safe here. Okay. Oh wait, this is so fast. Dang it! Oh, come on. I thought we could do that one. That was the first time we didn't get out by just touching the color. Okay. What's our color? Oh, we'll see. Please be something good. Green again. After this, we'll switch it up and just do normal maps. And see if it's harder or easier. If it's easier, like a lot easier, then we'll go back to the pixelated maps. Or like the new season maps. Data streams. I'm so glad we don't have blue. I hope there's no green in this one. I don't remember though, because I didn't get a good look at the map because I always get blue and then get data streams. So I always get out. That's blue, that's light blue. Not green, that's blue. Otherwise I wouldn't have gotten out on the other blues when I got data stream. This is teal, not green. Let's go. Okay, which door is correct? Ah, yes. The good old right door. Just straight down the middle. That's teal. I got first, let's go! I got a good feeling about this one. What is this guy doing? Okay, we got first. Digi-Trick again. That's teal, remember. We need like that kind of green, which I did not touch for your information. We don't need that, all that teal. That doesn't count as green. I'm so glad we don't have orange. Okay, teal. People are qualifying. Like, that's green right there. This is lighter than that. That's teal. Okay, I got out. And I will admit, those were greenish, but they were mostly blue. They were teal. But next time, I'm going to be more harsh on myself and say those are green. So, let's spin again. And what did we get? We get red. Red's like a decent color. Okay. Let's try the. Let's just do solos. Let's try the original. Dizzy Heights. This one should be pretty easy. As long as we don't, I don't remember it. But I'm pretty sure this is the one with the big old fan. So as long as we don't get hit by that, then we should be fine. Oh wait, no, it's not. There's actually a decent amount of red in here. Oh, okay. He's on world record pace. Can he do it? Oh my gosh, what is he doing? He's insane. What am I supposed to do? I thought this was a good one. Okay, let's try it again. What is our color? We got hot pink, or just pink in general. So let's do the original again. Oh, come on! They always choose the perfect maps for my color, so I get out. This is gonna be so hard. Look at all the pink in there.
out of all the things. That's disgusting. So unsanitary. Dang it. I believe in myself. You can do it, little Todd. That's not actually my name. But I'm calling myself Little Todd because it makes me confident. Avoid the pink. Okay. Let's go over here. We need a different way. How? Okay, somebody's already qualified. And not somebody, I mean like everybody. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay. I don't think we're gonna make it, but we can try. What are you doing? What are you? Come on! Thank goodness you fell off. What'd you get? Okay. Thank you. Ah, dang it. We didn't even make it past the first round. Okay, let's spin. As we learn. Pink again. Why? Why have you done this to me? What did I do to deserve this? There's pink everywhere! Hey, there's a fellow hot dog. Okay. Can't touch pink. Come on. Go down! Okay. Oh, come on! There's... Yeah, I touched it. I'm not even gonna try. Oh, dang it. I didn't even get time to quit. I got eliminated.
Okay, let's spin. We got yellow, so like orange basically. That'll count. Orange will count. Yellow is just another orange, we'll say, because there's like no yellow in Fall Guys. I just have to get lucky. I have to get ones that have like no yellow, or orange I mean. And then I have a chance. Okay, wait, this one should be really easy. What? I mean, that's just some yellow, but well, we're also just saying that's orange. Oh wait, is this the one where it's like, it has the stacks? I can't remember. Yeah, it is. Bye-bye. Okay, let's try this again. What's our color? Oh, blue. We haven't gotten blue in a while. Okay, treetop tumble. There's a lot of blue in this one. Okay, we touched blue. But then I witnessed the change of heart in myself. I realized that Fall Guys isn't about doing challenges or even winning. It's about having fun. So I started griefing people. It's just having fun.
but I still lost. I was just kidding about having fun. It's really about winning, and I didn't have fun because I didn't win. Subscribe if you want to win a game of Fall Guys. P.S. Quit while you can.